Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all the fine and doing very well and enjoy your pretty life. Dear viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, my fashion gallery, and welcome back to my YouTube videos. Dear viewers, today I am going to share with you the most stylish and most emerging thick soles for summer flat sandal designs. You can outfit casual wear, party wear, sport wear, wedding wear, street wear and every event. This flat sandal design is very amazing and different colored and different styles. You can outfit for beach parties. Dear viewers, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notification of my upcoming video and you will never miss any video or any collections of my YouTube channel. So this design is very awesome and amazing. Our genre in fashion. You can outfit office wear and every event. I hope that you're going love to these collections. Dear viewers, please watch this video till the end for more designs and more ideas. Many beautiful designs and many beautiful colors for open flat sandals for those ladies and those women. I hope you love this video and find these collections. This design is my favorite and I hope this design is your favorite too. You'll find 100 beautiful designs for my channels. Dear viewers, please appreciate my video and keep sharing and keep visiting and female support me. And by pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notification of my upcoming video and you will never miss any video or any collections of my YouTube channel.